Hello everyone, and welcome to this month's adult DIY craft. Today, we'll be making a Pom-Pom bookmark. For your supplies, you'll need the following items: a yarn skein, a Pom-Pom template, scissors, a bookmark-sized piece of paper, and an extra piece of yarn. In the craft kit, we've provided everything but the scissors. If you have your own pom-pom maker, you're welcome to use that too, though your pom-pom may vary in size in comparison to our example. To start, we're going to make our pom-pom template out of cardboard. Take the scissors and cut out the outer circle of the template. Then, cut a wedge so you can cut out the center. Finally, cut out the smaller circle. Repeat this step with the second half of the template. Now that our template is made, it's time to start on the pom-pom. Put the two pieces of the cardboard template together so they line up. Next, take the end of your yarn skein and start to wrap it up around the template from one end to the other. Make sure to wind it tight. Keep going back and forth until you completely run out of yarn. Make sure to leave a little bit of cardboard at either end of the template for later. Bend the little pieces of cardboard that you left visible outwards to use as a guide for the scissors. Following the seam between the two pieces of cardboard, start trimming the ridge of the yarn. I recommend small, short cuts unless you have really sharp scissors. Be careful not to let any of the small pieces fall out by alternating from one end of the templates to the other. If bits of yarn threaten to fall out, readjust and use your thumb to hold things in place, and then continue cutting. When you're about halfway down each side of the template, take that spare piece of yarn and tuck it between the two pieces of cardboard. That will hold the fluff in the center in place so you can move around to keep cutting. Once you're done cutting the ridge, fluff your pom-pom. Then take the spare piece of yarn and pull it taut to the center. Trim out any pieces that might be in its way. Then tie it twice, pulling as tight as you can each time. Pull the two remaining long pieces of yarn together and take off the cardboard cutout. Fluff your pom-pom a bit more and pull out any loose pieces that didn't get caught. Your pom-pom probably won't come out perfectly circular. Take your scissors and gently give the pom-pom a haircut to make it even, or until you're content with the shape. Last but not least, string your pom-pom through the bookmark's pre-punched hole. Tie it tight into a knot and trim the leftover pieces. Thanks for watching. Pick up your craft kit while supplies lasts. They're in limited supply and first come, first serve. Make sure to stay tuned for next month's take-home craft.